And today we're going to be checking out the XTOOL D6 Smart Diagnostic System. That's right, this is a OBD2 port reader that you can plug up to your car. You can scan for codes, you can reset faults, you can run tests. I'm going to get into as much of it as I can with the time that we have. But first, I'm going to show you what you get inside the box. So of course, you're going to have your manual and your quick start guide. Then you're going to have the XTOOL itself. You can see it has a nice large screen. It has the guards on the side, the nice rubber bumpers for drop protection. On top up here, you have a USB-C connection. You have an SD card. You have your tool connection right here. And then you also have your power button right there. Also in the box, you're going to get your cable that's going to run from your car, from your port to the actual device itself. And then you're going to get a USB to USB Type-C cord for things like charging and for doing those firmware updates as needed. Now you do get lifetime updates with this device. You do have to sign up and provide an email to get an account, but once you have that account, you can update all the different vehicles and the tool itself free for life, which is a very cool thing. You don't have to buy any updates. One-time purchase, you get the updates. Let's go ahead. We're going to hook this up. We're going to point the camera down. And I'm going to kind of go through the menus and stuff for you and show you what all this tool can do. In essence, if you want to find your car quickly, you can auto scan it. It's going to automatically detect the type of engine and type of car you have, so you can begin doing your diagnosis. Or if you want to manually enter your car, you can. You can see where you have your stored vehicles. You can do American, Asian, Australia, China, Europe, all the major auto brand makers. And then what you would do is you would just select whatever car that you wanted, and it's going to go in and scan for that car. Of course, I'm not connected to the car I just clicked on, but you can see how you can set up each individual car to scan their codes. You also have your updates. You get free updates for life. This under more is where your settings are, and you can also download your reports and set up a profile for your vehicles. The OBD2 is where you would go in to actually scan and look for those codes and find out what those different codes mean on your particular car. And then you have the special features. This is where you have all your different resets, including like your ABS bleeding, your BMS reset, your EGR relearn, your EPB reset, your SAS, your DPF or GPF, your injection coding, your suspension, gearbox adaptation, your headlights, window initialization, oil light reset, throttle, TPMS reset, crank sensor relearn. All very powerful tools that you can use to work on your own vehicle. You can go to live data. This will actually give you the live data on your car, and the ones that actually provide live data have this little blue indicator instead of a gray. So like engine coolant temperature, you can click on that and it's going to bring up the live data of what temperature your coolant is running, which is really cool. You have the fuel trim, short term and long term. You can check your engine RPM, and it's really cool that it gives you the ability to do live monitoring on your vehicle. Like you can even check the intake air temperature, giving you all the information that you need to diagnose and work on your car. It's nice to have a tool like this that you can use just to come out and connect to any of your vehicles and actually find out what the problem is and diagnose it yourself without having to go to a dealership or an auto parts store and pay them to just give you that code. It's nice that if you bleed your brakes and you set off that ABS light, you can actually relearn it in here and reset that. And when it comes time for your oil changes, you can reset your oil light, and just so much more that you can do with this tool. This is going to be perfect for your toolbox if you work on your own vehicles. It's great for the DIYer. It's going to make working on your car so much easier. No more guesswork. You'll be able to pinpoint and diagnose right away. The graphs actually give you the real-time data so you can see what is going on your car. You can actually drive around with them on, so when an error occurs you can actually physically see it, which is a really cool feature as well. And overall, I think this is going to do a great job for you. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.